family. We are standing tall. We are naturally beautiful. We are a family.
And I just be doing stuff.
Girl.
And this is my first time. This is a local season. It's made in Bay St. Louis, Mississippi.
Okay.
So
It looks good though, cool.
it does.
Ain't that a roast on there?
Yeah,
Look like a pot or something.
But it's good for chicken, steak, fish, vegetables, pork chops, and ribs.
That's why I'm glad I moved back. I can buy it. That look good though. Already cooler.
And then, you know, I gotta have my
All-purpose
Creole.
season. Yeah. That or that. Oh, this the cracked chicken right here, cooler.
Cracked chicken.
Ah!
But my way, because I don't know how he be doing. Like, this stuff. But,
I'm gonna debate that. I'm gonna see who tastes better, cooler.
ah. Wait a minute, I thought I already opened this. Go outside.
Go on, man.
You couldn't go outside.
That's gonna be so good.
Just get a little bit of this. Anyway, I really don't even need it because all the other stuff I already had.
A lot of seasonings
yeah.
and flavors in it.
So,
Ooh, cooler. If yours tastes better than my brother's, I'm just gonna look at you. I ain't gonna say it out loud, so
no,
I'm
don't
just
say
gonna
it.
look.
Because you know he can't handle it. He don't want to hear that. Alright. I think I need like a little dash more because I don't like my pieces to look like.
See-through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like, see, that's the real season. You can look
Right.
at it. I like to look at my season, but maybe just a little dash. Like I don't need much more. Just a little dash.
And my sister whipping it up in the kitchen. Look at the flick of her wrist today.
Okay.
Ah! Look, y'all, I'm tired of being in the kitchen. So ever since I've been here, she be doing cooking.
That's when it's a meal.
Girl, me over there laughing at Carson them on the other side of that door.
Alright. So that's ready.
Want me to throw that away?
Yeah, you can throw that away. I'm going to put foil over it and stick it in the refrigerator.
I told my sister she look cute, y'all. Look at them sandals she got on.
Oh my
Got them toes done.
Girl.
Ooh, show your nails, show your nails. That's cute. I like that. That ring bag. She taking. She taking. But that chicken gonna be good though, cooler.
Yes,
These are all the seasonings that we using today. Did you use the garlic there?
I didn't use it because
Nah, don't use it then. I wanna. Don't worry about
I
it.
didn't use it.
Girl, I cook so much with garlic, and I just was like, let me just try new stuff.
Yeah. Your brother loves garlic too. He had some minced garlic in the refrigerator. I just only want to eat it.
Right.
It's just me.
What are you crying for? Look at her. Y'all open that door for my Lolo. Stop that. Say hey guys. We missing one. What Jay? Outside?
He outside playing.
Yeah, let's go see.
Come on, let's go see. And this one, of course, this one's gonna cry. Come on. Say hey Jay. No, you go outside. Yeah, we're doing another barbecue today to celebrate the blessings that we, the Lord, has blessed us with. So, but yeah, y'all, we got some seasoning. Got some meats over here. What are we doing today, Cooler?
We're doing chicken, ribs. What is this? A pork loin.
Sausages.
Sausages.
And some zucchini and stuff.
Yeah, some vegetables on the side.
Look at her trying to knock everything down.
I may do a potato salad since we have like 9 pounds of
Cooler.
potatoes.
Yeah, might as well.
So I might as well just go ahead and do potato salad too.
I'm still mad about my devil eggs.
Well, you know what? I'll do some double eggs too.
Don't play with Cooler.
I'm not playing. I'll go ahead and boil them. Go ahead and boil them right now.
Oh, Mia, get down. Say less.
Don't do that.
Get down, mama. Look at her. Look at her.
We'll go ahead and make it just. Okay, so if you are looking to save money and find a good quick deal and you have a local Walmart, check your local Walmart for these reduced signs because they always mark down their meat. I have these and I also have one more that I bought the other day. The hamburgers. So save $2. I mean, hey, you can save coins. I love a coin, baby.
Ching ching. Where they do that at?
Okay.
Y'all, you know my family crazy. She part of the family now, y'all. We claimed her before they got married.
Listen, I've been a part of their family for so long. Like
Since we was about
2006.
I thought it was 2005. The end of 2005, Cooler.
No, it was 2006 because I was a freshman in high school.
Okay.
So that's like 14 years.
Yep, that's why. Y'all, let me tell you what this girl told me. She told me she like when people call her a Quilla. No, you family, you my sister. I'm calling you Quilla. I'm not calling you that. We not forming no more Quilla.
I'm just telling you. Telling you. Most people, when they don't know me, they think they can just call me Quilla. Like, but
and you be looking like getting a little side eye. Like, I don't know you.
We don't know you. I like that. You know, I don't know you like that. Call me put the I have an A in front of my name.
Well,
but it's okay because you know me. But so,
girl, I know more than know you. Don't play me. That she tried it, y'all. She tried me.
Okay,
she tried me today.
So, now see, my husband used to do this part.
They outside playing while we doing the cooking.
I don't fool with these ribs, but he told me, you know, he just wanted to get on the grill today and just kind of like have everything prepped for him. So we're gonna do our best.
Sandra's up in here trying to whip it up.
Whip it up.
Hey, turn up, Cooler. Yeah, my sister be lit over here though, for real.
Man, why I ain't have my music playing today? Okay.
Sit right there, I throw it in the trash. Pour that down the drain, Cooler. Yeah, I don't want none of that liquor on the counter in the trash.
Alright, because that could be a mess. Alright. Grab that.
Tell my mamas. Where Jay at? We got trash duty coming soon. Get down, be there. Watch you fall out. You alright? Look at her. You was alright, mama.
Give me that clear pan right there.
Pan? This?
Yeah. Hey, you might need to see it right here. Okay, let me show you another one of your brother's secrets.
Put holes in it?
Nope. If I can do it, because I never do it.
He peel off that skin, don't he?
Yeah. Dog, how did he do that? He went between... Nah, if I don't do it right, I'm sorry. There you go. You may have to do a few.
That's gonna be good. I'm gonna show y'all the end result too.
See, I'm not good like him. Like, he had this whole thing naked in a second.
I don't know what to do, Cooler. I ain't gonna touch it. And this will keep hollering. Get up, mama.
We just gonna take our time and peel it off.
Then I'll come back and show you guys the end result for this. Or how we peel it off. Well, how she peel it off. What you just put on that Cooler?
Mustard.
For the season to get through?
Yeah.
I've never heard of that. Comment below if y'all heard of that.
Yeah. A lot of people do it with fish more so than any other thing, but it really works with any type of meat from what we use. So let me watch.
You putting salt on it?
I probably won't.
That's what I was thinking. Not to.
I don't want it to be too salty. And I do like that.
And the egg. This is what we gonna see. She gonna see. I need to quit saying we because I ain't did nothing yet, Quilla. You told me not to. Don't play me.
Oh, that's a big piece of meat right there.
And it's gonna be good in my stomach. Quilla, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna worry about nobody else eating but my kids. I'm telling you, I'm gonna dive in.
Rinse it off a few times. She did Lolo nails.
Okay, Carson did Lolo nails. Girl.
Carson. Alright. Hey, baby. Holy. Repeat in various directions throughout selecting meat. Cook meat thoroughly and enjoy. Alright. So, first of all, the needle is right here.
Ooh, this gonna be so good.
Hold on.
This is my family. My family.